Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Gold Offers unboxing therapy videos and jewelry appraisal. So what we do at CASHGOLDOffers.com is we actually have people ship us jewelry, then we do an appraisal, an evaluation, and then we give them a cash offer. You can actually accept your offer in one of three ways. We pay using PayPal, which you'll probably see a logo right here. You can also do an ACH wire transfer to your bank, or we can offer you a company check. Now the reason people do this again is because we offer more money than the pawn shops, but not quite as much as retail. So what you're looking for here is to get us close to spot pricing on precious metals, jewelries, watches, and today I have some very interesting little products to show you. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the first one is I have two gold chains here for you. We're gonna open this box up to see them. They have been pre-tested, so you can see there's two different chain links right here. So we'll go ahead and get the first one right here. This is a 10 karat gold chain link. I'm not very concerned about the links themselves or how much it's worth because again, I work as an agent for a smelter, so this is all gonna get melted down. But what I do have here is a very simple scale. I'm not sure you guys can see the scale reading, but we're gonna go ahead and wait for it to load up and I'll show you how much it is, how much it's worth. We've already verified through the testing services that we do that it is 10 karat. So what I'm gonna do is just simply put it on the scale. The entire thing is 10 karat, by the way, and it is 9 grams, guys. We have an evaluation that changes daily. So we're talking about 9 grams, guys. That's a 10 karat chain here. And so the actual value of this one chain alone on the scrap level at least is going to be about $154. And what we're going to do is we're going to be offering a little bit less than that for our customers. So considering that we have to pay for insurance and shipping, we'll be taking away $12 on this chain, plus we have to make a small profit. So we're going to say that this chain right here is actually going to fetch $100 to $125. So that's a night on the town, guys, from an old chain that was sitting in a jewelry box somewhere. It's a really nice little find. Guys, let's go on to another chain. This one is actually a little bit nicer chain. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a thicker chain, and this one is actually 14 karat gold. This chain right here, it's a little bit shorter chain though. It's not quite as long, but it is a little bit heavier because the chain is bigger. This would actually retail, guys, for quite a bit of money. So let's check the weight on this one real quick. Okay, that's 10.5 grams of 14 karat gold. Spot pricing of this chain is going to be about $250. We're going to be offering, minus the shipping and insurance fees and a small commission, we're going to be offering somewhere around $180 to $190 on this chain. Okay, both of these chains came together. The person who sent these chains in sent them together, so that's why they're in this box. That's how they sent them to us. And this is a perfect example of how you should ship your stuff. So if you have a small amount of stuff, get an old jewelry box, just throw them in there, and then actually what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a FedEx, go to a local FedEx, Kinko's, and drop it in one of those mailers. Our actual website has a place where you can print off a FedEx shipping label. That's of course on us. And you drop it in an envelope. They also will give you a FedEx Kinko, slap the label on it, and you're good to go. Or you can also request a kit. We will do a kit for you. However, with the kit, you're going to lose the bonus opportunity. If you ship your items within 24 hours of the bid, which is timestamped based on the website, if you get it out within 1 day, we're going to give you a bonus offer at the end of the offer when we actually do the evaluation. So this is a great way to ship us something and to get it on the go. So this offer today, guys, just so you know, is going to be about $300 for stuff that was just lying around the house. Now this one's very interesting, okay? So it came in this box here, and when we open it up, look at that beautiful ladies' watch right there. Okay, I'm excited about this one. I think this one is really, really cool. Okay, so what you're looking at, in case you're unfamiliar with it here, what you're actually looking at, guys, is a Belova 23J 14 karat gold vintage watch. These were made between 1940 and 1946, and what you're seeing there on the edge of the wrist is, this is 14 karat gold, the band, but the inside is not. But what's interesting is the inside is silver, so there's still valuation on the band as a whole. It's just this is gold and this is silver, and what we will actually do is we will separate the gold and silver. We will smash this thing apart and smelt it down, and there will be a valuation of the silver on one side and the gold on the other side. See, the problem is though, is the band actually has a material in it that is stretchy, it's rubbery. We will remove all of that rubber, so we're getting an accurate bid. Now what's interesting is it is in fact, this wristwatch has 6 genuine diamonds in it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but they are not worth a whole lot. These diamonds right here are actually half 0.1 to 0.2 carats, and we haven't removed them to know if they're chips or not. But the valuation on those diamonds isn't going to be add a lot to the offer. Now the case itself is gold. This case is gold. Okay. And a lot of people say, why would you want to take this antique and smash it up and smelt it down? Well, the reason why is because the watch itself, we don't believe is working. I've checked on it a couple of times. I think the internal structure of this watch is junk. But the thing that you have to understand is when we actually smash it out, we're going to remove the watch quality, okay, the internal workings, which add to the weight of this. So to give you an idea of how evaluating a watch would work, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn on and we're going to weigh it. We have 12 grams. But again, guys, at least half of those grams is going to be the internal working of the watch. It's going to be the little parts that aren't gold or aren't silver. In an evaluation like this, even though it weighs 12 grams, it's probably we're going to make an offer of about 4 grams of gold, and then maybe a small amount on silver. The smelt value is probably worth it for something like this because it's not working and you would have to send it to a specialist in order to get it working again. And it's probably, if you got it working again, the value as far as the cells of this kind of watch just isn't there. So really smelting an old watch that isn't working is a great opportunity for you to get some extra cash without having to spend the headache of trying to fix a vintage watch and finding the right people to do it, because they're not going to fix it cheap. All right, guys, that's it today. We only had 2 items for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Go ahead and head over to CASHGOLDoffers.com. That's CASHGOLDoffers.com. Go ahead and fill out for your free evaluation. We look forward to seeing your stuff, and maybe it's going to be your stuff on the table soon. If you do enjoy the videos and like seeing all the jewelry that we're getting, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll put it at the end of this video for you to click on. Thank you very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.